Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's me Esiogene. Today I'll be teaching you how I made this lovely two-piece. Please do me a favor by subscribing to my channel and don't forget to drop your comment on the comment section. Now let's dive into the tutorial. As you can see, I've folded my fabric into four, cutting the front and back piece together. Now our shoulder is divided by 2 minus 1. This client shoulder is 16. 16 divided by 2 is 8, minus 1 is 7. So I'm taking the neck width. Neck width for front and back is 3.5 inches and the front depth of 4 inches. So I'm trying to connect both to have a smooth line. You can use your curve ruler, or you can use your free hand. I'm using my ruler to connect the lines. Now I'm measuring the back width of 1.5 and the shoulder slope of 1 inch. I'm connecting the lines to get the shoulder slope. Ensure to take your shoulder slope before you get your armhole. As you can see, I'm also having an allowance, 1/2 inch allowance to enable the stitches and weaving of the material. Now I'm connecting the line from the shoulder to the neck width. Now I'm drawing the line down to get our armhole. Remember, it's sleeveless, so repeat the shoulder line to get our armhole line. I'm connecting the lines to get it. And now our bust divided by 4 plus 1 inch allowance. This kind bust is 40. 40 divided by 4 is 10 plus 1 inch allowance for stitching, which is 11. Now you can see I'm trying to get the midpoint of the armhole to get a very good armhole curve. Right now I'm getting the length of the top. It's a gown top. From the shoulder to the length, your desired length. So connect the line. To have a straight line, you have to take the measurement from both ends. Now I'm connecting the lines to have the M. I'm measuring the M to know the width of the M. It's hip divided by 4 plus 4 inches to have this flare look at the down. Now I'm taking measurement to know the hip point. The hip point of this client is shoulder to hip is 25. So at that hip part, I'm putting this measurement plus 2 inches. That 2 inches is for ease and sewing allowance. Now I'm connecting the lines. Wow, this material was really troublesome, but anyhow, we're able to handle it. But please always ensure you pin your fabric to avoid shifting. Do well to enjoy the music. At this point, we're cutting our fabric. See, I just finished cutting the front and back neckline. Always remember to separate the back from the front to avoid disaster. At this point, we are going to the sewing machine to join the shoulders. We join both shoulders, and after which we'll take our bias to turn the neckline. If you have enough fabric, you can use facing, but in this particular one, I'm using a bias tail to turn the neck. And we stitch the sides, the armhole. We also turn the armhole with the bias tail. And we hem the down by half an inch. Right now I'm stitching the shoulders. Voila! We're now on our down. As you can see, I've folded the first panel, which is the back panel, and I'm taking 2 inches allowance difference from the front panel, and I'm making a line to make up for our starting points so that the front and the back piece will be equal. So I'm trying to draw the line, connect it, and I'll take the front panel to touch that line. This client's hip is 40 and is a high waist shirt, so hip divided by 3 will give us 13.3, but I'm using 13 to get our crush line, and our hip is 40. 40 divided by 4 is 10. So place 10 there, and also at the waistline I will draw the bust to get the hip. Now to get the crush curve, we go up by 2 to get the hip line. I'll divide the hip, that bust, by 4, which is 10, divided by 4 give you 2.5 to get the crush extension. So that's me placing my 2.5 there and a diagonal 1 inch to get a very clean curve for our crotch. Now you can see me connecting it to the hip, to the waist. Now I'm going down by 2 to get our thigh, and I'm bringing the crash measurement down to the thigh, and I'm connecting it. And at the end part, I'll -1 from the crash measurement to enable it pencil in a way. As you can see, I'm connecting the lines. See, it is a bit slanted. At this point, I wanted to do rice, and I remember it's an high waist. In high waist, you don't need rice. So this is me cutting it. Yes, cutting it. Be careful when you're cutting this type of materials. Now I'm separating the front and the back panel. Always be careful with this type of fabric. Now stitch the flap front and back. I'll join both panel together. Stitch also the seam. Voila, our two-piece is ready. And one good part is that you can rock this two-piece even without the shorts. Here I go. Thanks everyone for watching, and please do not forget to hit on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to notify when I upload my next video. Bye.